this is Allie from the Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to teach you how to make a felt shamrock clip for our March 2024 adult take and make. So we've provided you with 3 sheets of felt, green felt, and also an alligator clip, an embroidery needle, 3 pieces of embroidery floss, and we'd recommend using your own ruler, scissors, pen, and hot glue gun. Now take a sheet of felt, your ruler and a pen, and put a mark at 1.5 inches. Now this is for a larger shamrock. If you want a smaller shamrock, you can keep the mark at about 1 inch. In either case, you're going to make either a 1 inch wide or a 1.5 inch wide felt strip. And once you've marked that off, you're going to use your scissors to cut it out. Now you're going to take that cut strip of felt and divide it into 4 pieces. So I've used my ruler and a pen to mark off 4 equal distant lengths of about 2 inches per square, and I'm using my scissors to cut those 4 pieces out. Then you're going to take that felt rectangle and using a ruler, mark about halfway up that rectangular shape with pen. And then using that pen mark as a reference point in your ruler, place a mark in the middle of that shape. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut a notch halfway down, then fold it in half and use your scissors to cut out sort of a half circle shape, and you're left with a bit of an M shape. Now repeat that process with the rest of your felt rectangles and you're left with 4 M shapes. Now take your ruler and a pen and mark 4 equidistant markings along the bottom of each of those M shapes. Now take your embroidery floss and your embroidery needle and thread the needle, and then you're going to use those 4 equidistant pen marks that you put on each of those M shapes as a guide to show you where to put your stitches, and you're going to put 2 stitches in each of those M shapes. When you're done with those stitches, situate the M's in the middle of your thread. And then you're going to take your embroidery floss and pull both ends of it at the same time so those felt shapes will tighten up to look like a shamrock. And then you're going to simply tie a knot on the back of that shape, so the side of the shape that you do not want showing. And then take your scissors and cut off the extra thread. And then simply complete that same process with your other 2 colors of felt. And if you would like a different size, a smaller size for the shamrocks, you can just use a 1 inch strip instead of a 1.5 inch strip. Then take your hot glue gun, your alligator claw clip, and your 3 felt shamrocks, and using your hot glue gun, affix your shamrocks to each other in a design that you like. Once you have your shamrocks in the shape that you like, you're going to use your hot glue gun to pipe a line of glue onto your alligator claw clip and affix it to the back of your shamrocks. And there you have your shamrock clip, and you can wear it in your hair or on your shirt, whatever you like. And don't miss our upcoming adult programs.